Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in database management, SQL connections versus direct access. If you've ever worked with databases or plan to do so in the future, understanding this topic is crucial for your success. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two approaches and help you determine which method is best suited for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, database management can seem daunting at first. But trust me, it's worth taking the time to learn about SQL connections and direct access. Not only will this knowledge make you a more efficient and effective professional, but it'll also save you from a world of headaches down the line. So let's get started. To begin with, what exactly is an SQL connection in simple terms? It's like setting up a phone call between your application and the database. When you establish a connection, you're creating a dedicated channel for data exchange between these two entities. This connection allows you to send queries, retrieve results, and manage transactions, all while keeping the actual data stored safely within the database. On the other hand, direct access takes a different approach. Instead of establishing a connection, your application is granted permission to read and write data directly from the database files themselves. Think of it like having unrestricted access to someone's filing cabinet. You can browse through documents, make changes, and even delete files without needing explicit permission. Now, at first glance, direct access might seem more straightforward or convenient. Why bother setting up a connection when you can just dive straight in? However, this approach comes with its own set of risks and complications. When you're working directly with database files, you need to be extremely careful not to corrupt the data or interfere with other processes that might be using those same files. SQL connections, by contrast, offer several advantages. For one, they provide a layer of abstraction between your application and the raw database storage. This means that even if something goes wrong, the connection itself will help prevent any damage from spreading or compromising the integrity of the data. Another benefit is improved performance. When you're using an SQL connection, the database can better manage its resources and optimize queries for faster execution. Plus, connections often come with built-in features like caching and pooling, which reduce overhead and improve overall efficiency. So what are the key differences between SQL connections and direct access? Remember these essential points. An SQL connection establishes a dedicated channel for data exchange between your application and the database. Direct access grants permission to read and write data directly from database files without needing explicit permission. SQL connections provide abstraction, improve performance, and reduce risks of data corruption or interference. In deciding whether to use an SQL connection or direct access depends on your specific needs and constraints. While direct access might seem more straightforward at first, the benefits of SQL connections far outweigh any perceived convenience. By understanding these fundamental concepts, you'll be better equipped to manage databases effectively, write more efficient code, and avoid common pitfalls. If you have any questions about this topic or want to share your own experiences with database management, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on programming and software development. Until next time, happy coding!